our special guest, Sri Baba Ramdev Guruji, Chairman of GFST, is the main person, Mr. Thakkar now. Wherever he do work, he is doing extremely well. I am proud of him. We started an organization, Global Forum for Sustainable Transformation. Here concept is very simple. Not a big organization. It is a think tank body. Then knowledge is available globally. Now technology is matured. By integrating both, we wanted to promote corporate entrepreneurs or public entrepreneurs, policies we wanted to promote. That is the concept we started. Today, he has conducted 4 conventions. One is deep tech, another is aquaculture, third one livestock, fourth one today tourism. All 4 he has done extremely well. I am very happy and proud of him. I congratulate him. Now, Ramdev Babaji, I know him for the last 3 decades. Same gene, same spirit. I met him combined Andhra Pradesh. At that time, everybody was teaching yoga small way. Here is a guru. He has visualized in a big way. In one meeting, hundreds of people used to come for that yoga practice. I thought only few people will come. Wherever you go, thousands of people have come for his yoga. That is how he brought yoga as a mass momentum. I really appreciate him, congratulating him. Recently, if you see all these things they have done, the value of yoga, benefits of yoga, everybody is aware. Now I want to call Gayatri, the beneficiary of him. She will tell on her with her own actions, then you will have an idea. Please come. Mike. Mike, Mike. Rama, Lema. Mike, please come. Matadam. Freega matad cheppam.
Namaskaram. My name is Gayatri. We are Australian citizens, myself and my husband, but our proper is Hyderabad. So we got settled in Australia since 20 years, but when I got diagnosed with cancer, that to last stage cancer after getting a Pfizer shot, and it was like my doctors were telling there is no hope at all, and after giving all the treatment, they have stopped the treatment and they said you'll be given a pain-free injection and you'll be waiting for your death. Because the cancer death is going to be quite painful. And what they said is, you will die without pain with these injections. So मेरा जो कैंसर था वो ब्रेन के सिवा पूरा बॉडी में था. लिवर, लिम्फ नोड्स, ब्रेस्ट और बोन में भी चला गया था लास्ट स्टेज पे. So it has spread all over the body except brain. And at that time, like my husband was crying and we have given up the hopes. And we didn't know what to do. So I was seeing Astha channel, and there I had seen a Ramdev Ji Maharaj video where he was suggesting cancer patients please come over to Haridwar and get our treatment done. So I convinced my husband, let's go to Haridwar and take a leave for a month period, and we come over to India. And when we went to Haridwar, they denied a 1-month treatment. They have just given me a 1-week treatment. Later we had to convince, because they was telling too much of treatment will affect my liver. And so, later we were visiting all the temples in Haridwar, and in the while before going to Australia, we had taken another week of treatment. So it was a total 2 weeks treatment in a 1 month's period. And before coming over to India to get the Ayurvedic treatment, my doctors were denying, they said they were threatening with scaring me, because Ayurveda will, this treatment will spoil your liver, all kind of things. But I said, because you have given up hopes anyways, I'm going to die. What's going on? What will happen if my kidney is going to fail? So I had to convince, and we came over to India, and before coming they have done a PET scan, and after getting our treatment done, when we returned to Australia, they have taken a PET scan again, and that PET scan had shown no cancer, no trace of cancer nowhere. So even my doctors were astonished how it happened, what kind of treatment they give you. They were quite surprised. So, and even my GP was telling that nowadays, I don't know, Gayatri, for some reason, whoever people it was a Corona time. So my GP was telling all the people are going to Bali and Thailand to get Ayurvedic treatment done. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Now, all of you heard about Gayatri's story. Amazing experience. That is how all doctors have tried, but they failed. But Baba Gurudev Ji, Ramdev Ji has cured. That is the beauty of him. That is the beauty of yoga. He is a master in yoga, naturopathy, and also Ayurveda. You name any Ayurveda plant, he is an expert to tell the benefits out of it. This is exactly our Prime Minister is promoting today. And also, sometimes we are all doing, but he is doing differently, with sustainability as a first condition. Sometimes we will do, sometimes people may not listen to us. With the proof of concept, he has done extremely well. Recently, we conducted yoga in Visakhapatnam. 30 days, I promoted yoga in a big way. Honorable Prime Minister, through United Nations, he included Yoga Day globally. 11th International Yoga Day we celebrated. Everybody expected it may not happen that grand scale. But I wanted to promote yoga as a part of everybody's life. 30 days I gave a calendar. Even my officers, some of my officers didn't believe. I planned 5 lakh people in single location, that is Visakhapatnam. But we got Guinness record, 3,01,000. Never it has happened. It has happened in Visakhapatnam. That is how we achieved. Now, PM also, so many times PMO, they told me, it will happen or not. I told only one thing. Product is very great product, yoga. But only the problem, promotion is very weak. Marketing is very weak. That's why it didn't take off. Then, because of product is very strong, marketing, Prime Minister was doing, so I educated people, so it has happened automatically. It is a historical event we conducted. Today, to take further forward, I wanted to seek Baba Ramdev Guruji's blessings. Andhra Pradesh will be future destination for wellness and happiness. My goal is wealthy, healthy, happy Andhra Pradesh. That is the goal I have kept. I can create wealth through my economic policies. But Babaji is going to give happiness and health for everybody. That's why I'm requesting him now. I want to take his services. He's a very, very effective marketing manager of a product. If we decide, this is where I'm asking him only one thing. Just now, after hearing him, after seeing him for 3 decades, long journey, I had a very good affiliation with him. Very, very affectionate, wherever, because both of us are working for a common cause. Through politician, I am a politician. Through public policies, I want to serve the state. Being a spiritual leader, he wanted to serve the community in a big way. This is a rare combination for both of us for the last 3 decades. Now I request only one thing. I want to take his advice and guidance for promoting tourism and wellness of Andhra Pradesh in a big way. That's why, with all your cooperation, I am also asking Babaji, Baba Ramdev ji, be our advisor for tourism. You will be the best brand manager, promoter for Andhra Pradesh. I will be very happy. If you accept, we will be very happy. Then automatically tourism will happen in Andhra Pradesh in a big way. All events I can create. So many celebrities are there. True celebrity is Baba Ramdev Guruji. I am very happy. So this is the occasion I want to tell you. Everything we wanted to promote in a big way from today onwards. Long back, I gave a slogan. People are asking what is the importance of tourism. At that time, we will talk about communism, socialism, capitalism, like that people used to talk. One word I told at the time, all isms are irrelevant. Future is only for tourism. It is going to survive forever. Today, exactly that is what is happening. If you see today, we are all inspiring time. I wanted to mention that. Why? 3 decades back, I promoted technology. At that time, nobody used to promote technology as a politician. One example I am giving you, I wanted to meet Bill Gates. He visited Delhi. I seek his appointment. Politely refused. I asked this reason, why you are not meeting. He said, I don't have any work with politicians. I said, no, I am having some work with you. I want to meet you. Give me 10 minutes. With great difficulty, he gave me 10 minutes. All the way I went to Delhi. I prepared very well. Then I spent with him 45 minutes. I gave my presentation. In my presentation, I gave the strength of India and Indians on information technology. He said at the end of the meeting, yes, you are right. I totally believe. What can I do? Don't do anything for me. If at all you are coming from Seattle outside, come to Hyderabad, then I will give you excellent land you can promote. After that, 3-4 meetings, he started first development center in Hyderabad after Seattle. That is the biggest campus today. Fortunately, the employee of Hyderabad Microsoft Center, Nadirala Satya, has become president of that company. One step forward, leapfrog developments will happen. So I wanted to, now today, the power of technology. I started at that time, iTech City, synonymous with IT, and promotion of IT. Today, I am promoting Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is the beauty of today's technology penetration. All of us are talking about technology. Now data is available, historical data. Global knowledge is available. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing is a reality. Real-time data can be collected through satellite, drones, IoTs, wearables, sensors, CCTV cameras. Then decision making will be taken real-time, decision will be communicated real-time across the cross sections. One example I am giving you in government. Now, we are providing 703 services. As on today, 500 services you are providing online. By August 15th of this year, all services will be provided online through WhatsApp governance. No need to come to any. Even all investors, I am telling you, you do not come to office. You need not go to any office, any officer. Automatically, they have to clear. That is the system we are building. Now people are saying, with all these things we will lose jobs. Now how to create jobs? Only the way tourism is only the sector where we can create excellent jobs. If you see here, 1 lakh if you invest, around 8 jobs we can create. Investment versus 2 jobs, tourism is the best sector. It is better than IT, industry, agriculture, even other service sectors also. This is the best. Globally, every 10 jobs, 1 is from tourism. We had an ambitious plan. 2.4 trillion US economy. We wanted to US dollars we wanted to achieve by 2047. In this, we are expecting tourism to grow at the rate of 20% from now onwards. My minister also is having doubt if now Patanjali success story you have to hear. Now Baba Ramdev ji is our advisor on tourism. If we start wellness centers and all hotels in Andhra Pradesh, wellness centers, especially yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, and also best meditation if you practice. Natural food. We are very happy, Babaji, Guruji. We are number 1 in natural farming in the world. Already we are going for certification and also how to identify, that is identification also. Both we are doing. So I am assuring you, world is watching us. This is a new project is going on. With natural food and your yoga and meditation, that will be the game changer. All other prayers, we are all here. You will have a exciting timing. So many people have given Andhra Pradesh benefits also. So many places. Tirupati is one example. Richest God in the world. Now the Balaji is attracting every day. He is unable to bless people. That is no time for him. Round the clock, sometimes we are pushing him beyond also. That is where one of the best temple in Andhra Pradesh. Not only that, Sri Sailam is another best temple, very, very powerful, and also today it is doing very well. If you see Andhra temples are the best temples, around 21 temples are getting more than 10 crores every year income. Some temples hundreds of crores. So this is where I wanted to build tourism temple tourism, spiritual tourism, wellness tourism. With all this experience, if you see in Andhra Pradesh, excellent valleys, beaches, ancient sites, majestic ports, a rich mix of spirituality, heritage, nature and coastline. 1,000 kilometers coastline. Excellent forest areas. Excellent ecological balance. Yesterday, Ramdev Guruji has travelled one day 3 places. He started 3 a.m. in Haridwar, came to Visakhapatnam, he visited Aruku Valley, and then from there he went to Rajamandri, Akanda Godavari we are creating now, beautiful place, and also Godavari, if you can see Papi Kondalu, one of the best place in India, and also Konasema, the best, I can say, better than Kerala. That is how excellent places are available. Even Arsely Hills, I am very happy. Even not now, long back British period, they started there. Our hospitals also, that is a sanatorium in Madanapalli. You start, Guruji, we will provide all infrastructure there. I am assuring you, you made me one commitment to make Madanapalli best wellness center globally, #1. I am assuring you, we will create all infrastructure, excellent road infrastructure is available, water is available. I will create one small airport also there, so that that city will develop with wellness center and also with beautiful connectivity. And also our policy, as you are all aware, one of the best policy as on today. Our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned, Government of India, you entrust us, you are kind enough to give some money. Money is not the issue here. We will create wealth. That is where I am asking you, bring experts, bring knowledge, bring people who can invest in Andhra Pradesh. It is a win-win situation. We will give you best policy. Everybody is thinking hotel means only rich people will invest. Thereby returns are not coming for them for short term. Only those who are having some other income, they are investing in hotels for long time, sustainability for asset building. That is where day one I thought this time tourism will be included in industry status. So it is a game changer as on now. Long-term investment you can do it. You will get so many incentives. This is where 100% exemption on stamp and transfer duty, capital subsidies, 100% reimbursement of electricity for 5 years, GST reimbursement, and also so many things I have done. I am telling you only one thing. If anybody is doing plus what we have done, I will do double plus what others will do. Then I want to create competition continuously. We wanted to make India proud. Andhra Pradesh will be #1. We will produce proof of concept. I requested Ramdev Babaji, Guruji now. First we will produce a proof of concept. Andhra Pradesh is a model for tourism. Then we will promote India also. We are part of India. Our Honorable Prime Minister is working Vikasit Bharat 2047. We are working Swarna Andhra Pradesh 2047. So both we have to sync and then we will work together in the direction. I am assuring you, we are all talking ease of doing business. I am moving one step ahead, speed of doing business, real time. Any clearances, all these things will be done with speed of business. And also, all procedures will be simplified. No red tapeism. If you bring me some more reforms, I am prepared to execute immediately. Transparency, accountability, and at the same time speediness is your motive. I can bring all reforms as far as possible wherever it is necessary. Now, we are having only 20,000 rooms like that, but we are going in a big way, 50,000 keys in 5 years' time. That is our goal, but it is achievable. And also, if you see here, homestay is one way, and also tent cities, and also tourism for grassroots, how to empower them. Here also MSME, if necessary, we will give more incentives. What I want to emphasize here, compared to investment in tourism, always creativity. And also even small scale you can start, but at the same time you can do better gradually. Here I am working one concept, Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. I want to take his spirit, how we made empire into industry. And also 5 hubs I am creating. Visakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Amaravati, and then Tirupati and Anantapur. I want to bring all industrialists, all academic institutions as knowledge partners, industrialists as a practical persons, and government. We wanted to promote every family, one entrepreneur is my motto. I am going to achieve it. I will tell you one example. 25 years back, I started IT promotion. I asked at that time, I gave a slogan, one family, one IT professional. Today I am very proud to say, all over the world, Indians are doing very well. Among Indians, 35% Telugu community. And also today, if you see, highest per capita income globally, anywhere you go, that is Telugu community. That is the foundation we have laid long back. Today, same spirit I am talking, one family, one entrepreneur. Not a impossible thing. Minimum one MSME, every family, every person should have. We will work in the direction. And also finally, we are having 21 temples, 2 Buddhist circuits, and also even so many events we can create, 25 thematic circuits, all our people have explained, I don't want to go further. And also, ultimately, Andhra Pradesh will be #1 global destination in tourism. That is our aim to achieve it. Now we are having all resources. You name beaches. You name East Coast sea. You name excellent rivers, waterfronts. If you can go to Godavari, one of the best water. Krishna, one of the best river, Perennial River. Even our friend has mentioned Buckingham Canal. In British period, through Buckingham Canal from Kakinada to Chennai, they used to transport goods and also passengers. Now we can revive that type of canals. Future is experience. If you can water tourism, we can promote. Venture tourism, we can promote. You name anything, everything is available in Andhra Pradesh. Now, just now, one of tourist promoter, as rightly mentioned, she wanted to promote our Srisailam helicopter tourism and spirituality. I will be very happy. You can promote from Amaravati to Srisailam, Hyderabad to Srisailam, Bangalore to Srisailam, even Chennai to Srisailam. It is possible. Lot of opportunities we can explore. Even promoters have come, even event managers have come. I have seen all of you. You have given very good ideas. As Tucker has rightly mentioned, 15 members, they have considered teams. Different teams, they have given excellent ideas. We will process everyone what you have given idea. We will come up with action plan. We will execute it. Periodically also, if you can give more and more ideas. Now, better than me, our Ramdev Guruji is here now. He is a best creator. Tucker is a very good creator. If I give any concept, he will prepare excellent chart and then explain this is how it has been done. At the same time, Ramdev Guruji is having concept and execution plan and resource mobilization. At the end of the day, you will produce outcome. That is his speciality, with proof of concept. I am very happy with him now. Money is not the issue. I am telling you, we can create wealth. Wealth, if you create wealth, automatically government will get income and jobs. Then with this money, I can spend again for poverty eradication, welfare programs. Even I am promoting one concept now, P4. You are all aware, India is very fortunate. 1991, economic reforms have come. Even for economic reforms, responsible person P.V. Narasimha Rao, Telugu man, has introduced economic reforms in this country. He has given a direction for the nation. That is how he has done. After that, technology advantage. For the last three decades, I am promoting technology. Now it has been matured. Now India is blessed with demographic dividend. Aging population, other countries are facing, whereas India is having young, energetic population. These are all the advantages for India now. Now another 10 years time, very inspiring time. So at the same time, I have to mention here a right time, a right leader for the nation, that is Narendra Modi ji. We are proud of him. Very consistent and also very balanced, and also growth is going very, very stable economy. So everything is very positive, and also I am requesting all of you, time is very important. As our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned, I am telling you, I am assuring you, your investment is safe. And also you will get better returns. Plan now. If you miss, you will miss the bus forever. Don't miss now. This is an opportunity. Wherever I used to tell from the beginning, those who listen to me, they are all benefited. I started Hyderabad development. I told them what is going to happen after 15-20 years. Today, Hyderabad, those who believed my words, my vision, they are all now very big people. Now India is going to grow. There is no doubt about it. In the growing momentum, what we are doing is not enough. This is where I wanted to make it very clearly. Aim globally, act globally. Distance is not the constraint. And also you have to provide global products. The best products, any product for that matter, tourism, any product, it must be best product, then lot of advantage for us. Ultimately, you have to keep it in mind. Society is giving everything for us. I promoted economic reforms. Second generation reforms I implemented. Today, we are implementing P3, public-private partnership. If you see colleges, if you see roads, telecom, power sector, so many things, even hotels, everybody is coming public-private partnership. In the process, you are charging user charges, you are borrowing money, you are repaying money, you are also benefiting. But what we thought, economic benefits will trickle down to the last mile. Poverty will be eradicated. That is going slowly. In this country, billionaires are emerging. And at the same time, haves and have-nots, the gap is widening. This is the right time all of us has to think. What type of future society we have to imagine? You are seeing globally so many countries. Europe is one model where equitable wealth. America is another model. Now India, we have to think positively. I wanted to eradicate poverty. First phase, zero poverty. After that, continuous empowering those who are all below last mile. There I am introducing now public-private people's partnership. Top 10% high net worth individuals has to adopt bottom 20%. 1:1 or 1:many. If we can do that, here we got an opportunity. Ramdev Babaji got an opportunity. He born in a small family. Now he is a great guru, internationally renowned. How we got an opportunity? Even Ambedkar ji, even Modi ji, even NTR, everybody born in a small way, but they molded their life, they got an opportunity. Sometimes somebody has given some hand holding or help, or on their own, they are all built. Here, issue is public as capital. We have to empower them. Timely assistance, mentoring, guidance, short term, medium term, long term, if we do, then all families will be turned around economically. Suppose one example I am giving you. One family, they don't have skills. If you create some additional skills for them and create better employment, better livelihood, that family will be better off. Or 10th class student, they don't have money. Then if you give assistance for better education, 4 or 5 years, you will get best employment. If you get best employment in a knowledge economy, that family will be totally above poverty and he will help others in course of time. This is the concept I am creating, P4 model. That also I am requesting all of you. If it is suitable to your, even CSR is available for everybody. What all I wanted to request all of you, your bandwidth of management. I am talking, I born in a small village. I used to walk 6 kilometers for high school. Then university, I molded myself. I became MLA, minister, then chief minister, everything. So, what I wanted to emphasize here, human beings are having extraordinary powers. How to tickle that, how to make them more productive. If you give that tip for him, if he emerge, nothing will stop him. That is where we are working. I will send you all the details for you. Kutumbarao is working now. He is in charge of P4 policy. I am bringing all big companies, individuals globally who are all benefited out of our policies or from society. They have to come back, they have to adopt, repay to the society. That is my motto. I am requesting all of them. Ultimately, tourism. It is only the sector where it is going to give happiness and health. I am giving a slogan now. Don't work hard, work smart. People are all saying today, because of technology, jobs will go. Jobs won't go. Various innovative ways are coming. People are spending 3 hours, 4 hours or 6 hours. Or earlier people used to work 7 days. Now they will work only 5 days or 4 days. 3 days they are going for holiday. Holiday means again they are spending money. Somebody is getting employment. It is going to happen. This is the cycle. I am very happy. Friends, I am requesting all of you again and again. You have seen today meeting also. Ramdev Guruji, how we brought his empire Patanjali. Now he is going to make Andhra Pradesh tourism on the global map. He will give ideas, he will promote, we will execute. Government of India, I am requesting you bring people. They will be benefited. I am telling you, they will be benefited. We will give all policies. You guide me, any policy is having any problem, I can transform, I will revive immediately. But Andhra Pradesh will give a model for other states to execute, to follow. But ultimately tourism is only the sector you are going to have lot of future, and all of us has to make India proud. As some people has rightly mentioned, we are spending huge money now. If you go to any country, any hotel, full of Indians only. We are spending, Indians are spending all over the world. Why can't we create that type of environment? We can spend here and foreigners will come. With this wonderful meeting, Thakkarji, excellent, you have done very well. Even I appreciate my officers also, Ajay Jain and others. They are also very innovative way they are able to promote. Now this is good. Even director, Amarapali and everybody, they have done very well. Now I am asking time, speed of doing business. My ministry is here. I don't want to hear 1 hour delay from now onwards. You make everything possible. Then you are going to see 1 year's time. It will be different state. Guruji, again I am asking you, every 1 year, one event we will have. We will review what we have done and place before public what we have done and take forward then onwards. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you one and all. Excellent.
I would request Baba Ramdev, Honorable Minister Baba Ramdev, Chairman, Additional Secretary to please come on the dais. We have release of this and then followed by the long-awaited session of MOUs. Sir, Mr. Thakkar, sir, please come. Mr. Kutumbarao, please. Chairman Garu, please come. Yeah. Announce karo release. Amma, come.
Now is the time for the release of tourism brochure. Tourism brochure is being released by today's Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, along with Tourism Minister, APTDC Chairperson, Ajay Jain Sir, Thakkar Sir and Amrapali Ma'am. And the next one is strategy paper. This is the tourism brochure that is being released. And the next one is strategy paper. Strategy paper. This is Coffee Table Book